by the willows and the Tennessee pines. I'll bring the whiskey, you bring the wine. We'll make a few memories on a red fire night. Throw your bags in my old Bronco, 3-day week and then it's time to go. Radio singing, let the good times roll. Man, don't feel alright.
Alright, what's up guys? So literally just after I got finished filming from the top of that tower, I put my phone away and I hear this like wind gust, and I turn around, I look to my right, and there's this huge wall of just rain coming straight for me.
Meet me out to that red fire night, down by the willows and the Tennessee pines. I'll bring the whiskey, you bring the wine. We'll make a few memories on a red fire night. There's magic when that west wind blows. It's even better with a little George Jones. Lost track of time less some time ago. Man, don't feel alright out here where the stars.
Alright, so we made it to camp. Since then I got my tent set up over here. Oh, right over here. And then my hammock right here. Fire right here. And kitchen right here.
We'll hang our hat here tonight, raise a glass and we'll toast to good times.
What's up guys? So it's morning here now, about just a little after 9. Sun's coming up through the trees over here. And yeah.
Going up some water for some grits. In here, I just cooked some eggs and some pie. Look great.
Like stars, they burn so bright. I bring the rhythm, you bring the rhyme. We'll make a few memories on a red fire night. Make a few memories on a red fire night. Make a few memories on a red fire night.